So now we are going to break down the combination for you. So we are going to start off with a side step, followed by a switch step and 2 sacadas. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2. The second sacada leads the follower into a back volcada. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2, back volcada. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2, back volcada. So the back volcada leads the followers to a cruzada. But in this cruzada, we are going to make it rotational, and we're going to ask our partners to do the cruzada 3 times. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2, back volcada. Leaders, take a step, a small step with your left leg, asking your partner to take a backward step with your left leg. Cross your right leg in front of your left. Now start turning your upper body to your left, asking followers to do the cruzada 3 times, and you end up in an enrosque position. Side step, switch step, sacada 1, sacada 2 to back volcada. Okay, leading your partner to a cruzada from the cross system. A small step with your left leg to the side, crossing your right leg in front of your left. Keep turning your body and making sure that you end up with your weight on your right leg and you are in an enrosque position. Okay, so from the cruzada, we are going to lead our partner to a forward ocho, and then followed by doble boleo into Americana with enganches. Leading the forward ocho, leading the doble boleo, leading the Americana twice, followed by a side corte. Okay. So followers in the cruzada, okay, once the leaders lead you to the first forward ocho, you do your latigazo, you do your boleo, bring your left knee up in front and lower your left foot slowly down to the floor. Okay. Now once leaders, you've seen your partner in this position, we are now going to lead the doble boleo. Take a forward step with the inside leg, a side step with the outside leg, cross your inside leg behind you, lead a boleo, take a forward step. Now this time, leaders, you're going to take a side step and slightly back crossing in front of your partner, but asking your partner to take a step with your right leg towards you. Okay, a gentle turn with your body to your right, a gentle turn with your body to your left, back to your right and drawing your right leg. Take a forward step with the inside leg. Again, you're going to turn and face your partner, a gentle turn with your body to your right, to the left, back to the right, collecting your right leg, taking another forward step with the inside leg, and end up with a side corte. So from this direction, from the cruzada, okay. So leaders, you can do a planing action or a lapis action, leading the forward ocho. You tap, and wait for your partner. We did a Doble Boleo. We did an Americana. We did an Americana. And end up with a side Corte. So we do hope that you like the combination. Thank you very much for watching. This is Tom.
And I'm Ali.
From And 123 and UKA Dance. Till the next time.
Bye.